What are you doing today?
I'm shopping at Walmart. Hello, sir.
What are we doing?
I don't know. I started recording.
I got scared.
Hey, kid, you want to go to Walmart?
Yeah!
Technology.
This is what I'm having for lunch, y'all.
He's having an MRE for lunch.
He's dumb. Look at the...
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You gotta have Zach like scratch his butt and then sniff his fingers.
Yeah.
He does that every day.
Cute.
Ready? Wait, hold up. All right, we're gonna do one of these. Ready? All right. Whoop!
Look at that there dump truck. Oh, quit. Dude, Zach keeps trying to make me smell his fingers and it's
All right,
making
come
me
on.
upset.
Smell
No,
your-
I want you to smell. Have you smelled them?
No. Do they smell?
A little bit. They smell skunky.
Kyle's just getting all this and he's gonna be like, I don't need any
You're
of
like,
it.
why did you guys just never stop recording? Jonah wasn't even with you. No, so many people don't even know what this is either. It's a crazy part. You don't even know it's Gary's mod. So, did you guys know that cats like bleach? Like, you have to be careful because they will drink it.
I didn't know
Apparently,
that.
it has like a, I don't know. One time my cat drank it, if you're wondering how I know. You know what I'm gonna do when we get in here, Matt? I'm gonna yell, this guy's a pervert. He's following us with a camera.
I don't know him.
Shut up. God, I just stared. I just made eye contact with someone. I think they're coming up here.
Maybe you got their attention.
Blue shoes, blue shoes.
Okay, it was good until that.
You don't look at TVs?
Why'd you smell
Because I forgot why you did it. Oh, dude, why is my nose burning now?
You just really wanted to smell it.
I slowly held my hand out and you went.
Yeah, because I forgot. Have I got a little...
I don't think there's more times I check up.
And we'll tell them you're gonna, because we're the ToastyBros.
Look at you, Matt. What are you doing today?
I'm shopping at Walmart.
Shopping.
Oh my gosh, you're included.
Oh, I thought you were already filming.
No, I wasn't. See? Look, this is what happens whenever you guys... I don't know what I'm saying.
McAllister does sound like that.
Yeah,
All right.
you don't cut anything out.
McAllister. Hello. Okay. All right.
He's gonna hate this. Do you wanna play some Valorant?
Oh, yeah.
You wanna play Valorant?
Oh,
buddy?
yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
He's signing a mouse pad for computer guy.
Do that.
They forced me to do this because I work here, so...
Do that walk again. You had some. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that style. That's a Valorant player right there.
Oh, yeah. Jesus, man. Why do they use Sage Walls on Team Deathmatch, man? Like, come on. Get a grip, man.
Wow, look at my new purse.
We'll see that next month on the bloopers.
Yep. Or in the actual video, depending on how zesty McAllister's feeling.
Counselor's always zesty.
You want a protein bar?
Let's look framed up good.
No, not at all.
Matt, tell McAllister how you feel real quick.
I want that McBoosey.
Boosie.
Where's he going?
Is he leaving this recording too? Counselor's gonna hate this. He literally might. He
left.
He left.
I don't know what to tell you, McAllister. I'm sorry.
You have permission to kill him.
And his name is John C.
You know what? While he's gone, I'm gonna read. Yes.
This one on the Kickstarter because we got the 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD version.
What's up,
it is
guys?
$4.19. All right, so how are you gonna tease them?
Show me your ass.
Show me your genitals. Huh? This right here is a Dell Workstation PC that we configured on eBay from a third-party. All the sellers on eBay, third-party sellers. Matt.
All right.
Oh.
Boosie.
What's wrong with me?
Are we just? Are you recording right now?
No.
I think you are.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Why?
Why do you like this?
Why not?
I feel like he's been into the bloopers too much. Now he just wants to get us messing up all the time. That's his life goal.
No, he's trying to catch us slipping, like saying something bad. Well, guess what? I'll just say it, Jonah. I'll say it.
Say it.
This is not a real 590.
Ah!
Jay.
He said, I need that new camera now.
He's like, I'm gonna break this one.
If someone gives 5 subs for the next 10 minutes till we end the stream, Jonah will be an NPC streamer based on emotes.
Oh yes.
Give 5 subs.
God.
He'll be like, wow, hearts. Wow hearts. Wow hearts. Nut.
Buggers.
I need to go grab.
I would. Actually, you'll donate 5 subs. We'll put the poll.
Oh, here he goes. He's going.
He's going.
Be a scar.
No!
Get in front of the camera, Jonah.
All right, go ahead and pop some emotes in chat. Our
Alright,
NPC
spam
streamers
emotes.
live.
Spam emotes. We said if you gifted 5 subs, he had to do an NPC stream.
Is that a dog?
Yeah, the
Whoa,
dog.
you can't talk.
The dog?
You can't talk.
Yeah.
Can't
Oh, you can. If
Yeah.
it's part of the thing, you can be like, "Arr, arr, arr," when you see a dog.
Alright, got
Whatever.
it.
You just gotta. Alright, crying toast. There you go. The lizard. I don't know what the lizard is. Batman.
I'm Batman.
Weird lizard. Tentacles. Yeah.
An RX 6600 XT, and you can buy this thing over at ToastyBros for $12.75. It's a really cool looking case, great high, great.
Rat. Look at this. He's the slime of the earth. No, because there's only 2 with the 1 set. We use them already.
Yeah.
That you just set yourself
Do
up.
not forget about this, Jonah.
Oh my god. He's back, bro. Oh.
Get the.
Update to the other thing. I was waiting till you guys finished.
Or we're not done yet.
Let's
We still got more to
let's
do.
just finish.
So-
Let's just finish. All right.
I was gonna wait till John
Every second that goes by, the couch gets more and more mad.
You scream!
Ah!
Walk in the door.
Oh
This
my
better
God.
make it in the bloopers.
Say as later. Goodbye.
Peace out.
You guys are lucky we're professionals here. Okay.
Why is there shit on your shoe, bro?
You remember this, Jackson?
Yeah, it's the.
Oh yeah, that's
porch.
been there.
Oh my god.
Been there, done that. All right,
Look over,
stop
I
it.
see and I'm like,
Stop.